What's up, guys? Welcome to A Reseller's Life. My name is Chris. Thank you so much for joining me. In this episode, I'm going to show you guys how to set up eBay Partner Network, Amazon Associates, and an eBay Codeless coupon. Now, if you're listening to this on iTunes, please leave a review, but then watch it on YouTube because it's a tutorial. I'm including all the links in the description below so that you can sign up and get all these free programs, which are essentially free money. So there's no reason not to sign up for this stuff. It is as close to passive income as it gets. You just set it up one time, and as long as people click on the link, within 24 hours, you get paid a commission. So let's show you guys how this works step by step. Number one, you're going to go to partnernetwork.ebay.com. Here you can sign up to be part of eBay Partner Network for free. You just sign in with your eBay username. Note, you can only have one eBay Partner Network account, so make sure that you sign up under the eBay account that you want to use. I've included the tutorial here from eBay. Partnerhelp.ebay.com is essentially the main website for. It'll go over exactly how you earn commissions, but it's kind of complicated in just a simplified version. Basically, you provide a link, people click on the link, it goes to a specific listing. If they buy anything within 24 hours, you get half the final value fee, roughly. That's sort of what the program is. So once you sign up for the program, it'll take you to this dashboard, and you want to create a promotable link. So I have an example of one that I use for my store, and it's going to link to this thank you card. And if you click on it, it'll go to this thank you card. If you buy anything on eBay, it doesn't have to be my listing, I get half the final value fee. So this is one way for you to get customers back into your store, or you could also link something that's a little more popular, a little more exciting, like let's say an iPad deal. You may want to go to eBay's front page and pick something that's hot, let's say like coconut oil. Let's click on this Viva and take a look. 15 sold in the last little while, so you may want to take this item, copy the link, go to the eBay Partner Network dashboard, paste it in this create a promotable link section in the middle, and then once you paste it, it'll generate a link. You can take that link and put it on your website or give it to your friends or post it on your social media, and then that's how eBay Partner Network works. Now, a lot of people are asking, what's a way I can get customers to do that? So I created a thank you card, which is on the left here. You can just copy it. I use Canva. You can literally use my template. I have it for sale for, looks like $6 if you guys want to use the exact same one as me. What I put on it is thank you for supporting small business. I also put please leave a 5-star review. A lot of sellers don't know that your DSR ratings, your detailed seller ratings, matter. So you definitely want to encourage your buyers to leave a 5-star rating and a positive feedback. Because if they leave a positive feedback but they mark you a 1-star on shipping costs or shipping time, it still dings your account, but you don't see it on your side. So I also like to put in here, if you have a question or concern, please message us and we'll take care of you. You can put your store name here, and then here I also put a QR code that says scan me for a secret deal on eBay. Now, what I did here with the QR code is there's two kinds of QR codes. One is called a static QR code, and that means you create it on a website. Just Google create free QR code, make one, and it will always link to, it's basically like a tiny URL. It's a website stored inside of a code. So when somebody uses their phone and scans it, it's going to pull up a website. If you guys are watching this on TV or something, you can try it with your phone and see how this works. Just holds up your phone camera to this QR code and it'll pull up the website. So that being said, I actually use dynamic QR codes. And what that means is I can change the QR code on this website, which I also included, which is qrcodegenerator.com. You can come in here and make one. I have one that links to my Amazon Associates link and one that links to my eBay Partner Network link. And this makes it easy. So you have this, someone can click or can scan it and it goes straight to whatever listing you want it to go to. Now I recommend a dynamic one because it's about $5 per month. But if you do a significant amount of volume, that should more than pay for itself. Because if the people click on it and buy anything within 24 hours, you get a little mini commission. So I recommend doing a static if you always want to link to the same item, or dynamic if you want to change it, because dynamic is going to allow you to link something different every single time. Like maybe it's an iPad this week, maybe it's a Nintendo 64 the next week, versus being tied down to just a single thing. Also on eBay, listings change all the time. So you don't really want it to go somewhere to a listing that's no longer found. So after you create eBay Partner Network, you can share those links on social media and get a little extra commission. I recommend you make a thank you card. I order my thank you cards off vistaprint.com. It's relatively cheap. I think I paid about 3 cents per thank you card. So now you're in at about 3 cents per card, and you're in at $5 a month if you want the QR code that's dynamic. Again, you can just email the code to the customer, and it's free. So let me show you guys how that works. Here is a targeted digital coupon. So I've included this link in the description below as well. This is a digital coupon. So if you share this with your customers, you're welcome to email them, or you can direct message them on eBay and say, hey, thank you so much for being a customer, or thank you for your interest in my store. Here is a link that gives you 10% off as long as you click it. You can select your whole store, you can select the minimum purchase order, and the idea is to get the customer back into your store again. Now, most sellers on eBay that sell one-off items, this isn't that useful because you're sending them, they essentially searched for your item and found it. This would work much better for people who have tons of similar items in their store, because people like your store, they like your style, hop back in, and it's likely they may use this digital coupon to just catch up or snag another one of your items. So this is a targeted digital coupon. It's one of 4 different promotions that eBay offers. I have those in a different video, which I'll link in the description below, or you can email me if you have questions at chris@dailyrefinement.com. But digital coupons are awesome, and it's a great way to encourage people to get back into your store. Okay, so let's go back to the Amazon code. So once you have set up eBay Partner Network, you figured out QR codes, you figured out how to create a targeted coupon code. Now you may want to sign up for Amazon Associates. And I've included a link here to go check out the tutorial from Amazon themselves. It's a no-brainer. Get yourself a website or make a YouTube channel connected to Amazon Associates. Their affiliate program is amazing. It's more, in my opinion, there's no reason really to even use eBay Partner Network other than just trying to get your eBay customers to come back. If you're trying to do any type of marketing, Amazon Associates is way better. Notice how every single eBay influencer or influencer you watch online uses the Amazon program. Even myself as an eBay influencer, I use Amazon Associate links because they pay so much better. So here is I put the affiliate link in the description below. And also, once you sign up, it'll give you a dashboard like this. And then you can click, you can see this month, it's been a couple of days, 13 items have shipped and I've made $16. Pretty good considering I literally did not do anything. So once you have these links floating around in the internet, when people start clicking on them, you start earning money. Honestly, this is pretty close to passive income. As long as you have quality content for people to come check out. Once you get to a certain level, Amazon will allow you to apply to be an influencer. Then you get your own store. In here I have eBay equipment, the best books I recommend, a cup of coffee. I'm changing my own oil now, so I put those supplies in there. So if someone is looking for the supplies to change a second generation Prius, here it is. Minimalist living stuff. If you want to clean your shoe, you can make these little things for people to find. And all of those links within 24 hours, you make an affiliate commission. Sometimes you make more money than the actual company that makes the stuff. Like on polymailers, they're really, really expensive. Like let's say you spend a few $100s a month on polymailers. The margins are tiny. The person making the polymailers might only make $4 or $5, but you as the affiliate commission, you might make $4 to $5 just referring people to that listing. Again, so very important to sign up for these kinds of programs because it's free money. Amazon and eBay are huge companies and they want traffic. They're essentially paying you to get people back on their website. Finally, I recommend you learn a little bit about online marketing because it makes sense. If you want to be an online e-commerce store, it makes sense to understand affiliates. So for example, I have an affiliate program through Audible. This is very, very aggressive. You get $15 every time somebody signs up for a book. So, I put my link in this description for you to check out what it looks like. When people click on it, they come to this link and they get a free Audible book. If somebody signs up for a free book, I get $15. That's a really, really great deal, right? So I recommend you start getting your basic website going, get some traffic on there. And honestly, you need a great website if you want people to deal with you. I'm kind of slacking on this myself. If my website was even better, more people would contact me with different opportunities. And ultimately, I want everyone on this channel, and I appreciate you guys stopping by. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And what I want you to do is create your own website so you can start having opportunities come to you. When you start building that reputation, people want to work with you. That's so much easier than trying to go out and chase people to do business with you. So make your own website, set up these affiliate codes. One last thing before you leave today, this episode is sponsored by my reseller field guide, which is $35 with code YouTube in the description below. That helps me continue to make content like this. And now you also get free access into my mastermind call with that purchase. So you can come in and you can ask questions about this live. I'm in that call every day but Saturday. You can say, Chris, I'm stuck here, and then I'll try to help you the best I can live on that call. And also you can always email me for free, chris@dailyrefinement.com. Please let me know who you are, what you're going through, and I'll try my best to help you guys out. So I appreciate your time, everyone. Again, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next show. Take care.